It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. What's going on out here, man? I'm finna go y'all and show y'all see where we at, man. We deep in the joint out here, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to your boy channel, man. Like this video, comment on this video, so share the video, subscribe, all the whole thing, man. I'm finna show y'all what's going on. You already know. Hellcat Slicking this thing, man. We're gonna leave them doors wide open, let them know what's going on. Let them, oh Lord, forgot that merchandise, man. Oh. Boy, Mozzie pulled up on the new whip on us, man, and everything, bro. I see what's going on. Boy, got the car seat in the back and everything. He ready. You sure do. Nah, that's Callaway. That's Callaway, man.
Callaway, you gotta turn that copyright music off.
I see it, man. Oh, he's deep in the corner. This one got some big ass wheels on this hoe. 4G zone, my feet. Y'all see it. But it's my first time seeing scatty black thing in this thing, man. Scat pad back. It's doing good. I'll see who it is, man. Wait on that, man.
Oh, y'all got some food over here too?
Man, I just told y'all what to do. It ain't costing you nothing.
For the free 99, man. Oh, we deep in the joint. For a girl graduation, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got him in live. TJ2 live. Hey, Richie. Let me see this thing right here, man.
Happening, bro.
What's going on, hey, Richie, man?
You got the there. Yeah, we gonna.
Yeah, there
yes,
you go.
sir.
There you go.
Sir.
Y'all see this, man? Hey, Richie, man. Safe food lines on.
Hey, Black Goose Banner, man. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hold on, I think TJ2 Live. What's going on, man?
How you doing?
Going good, man.
I come about that shirt, though.
Oh, no.
About that shirt,
I gotta, no.
Where you get that turkey leg? Where you get that turkey leg? You gotta come. I ain't even noticed that. He gotta come off.
Y'all tripping.
He in division.
Y'all tripping.
He in division.
Y'all tripping.
Well, y'all gonna get killed.
Y'all do not what? Are you about who?
Tell them to win the division.
Don't worry about that. At least we got a quarterback. That's all that matters. At least we got a quarterback.
We ain't even got no.
We got a quarterback. We got a quarterback. Don't worry about that.
They got 9.
Y'all see us in the playoffs.
They got 9 playmakers.
That don't matter.
Say what? What you talking about?
I couldn't even get.
We in the same division with him.
Who's your team?
Carolina. Nah, I'm Carolina.
You know what? I got some respect for him.
We ain't got no quarterback either, bro. We ain't got no quarterback. I can't even argue right now, bro.
Woo. Oh, we finna roll out?
Time to go. Let's go.
Oh, wait, Betty. Here we go. Woo!
Let's get it.
Gonna fight it. Boy, I'm working with a turkey leg in this thing. Hold on, let me. Man, if you don't get on out the road, man. Bro, this is the hell no I was talking about right here, y'all. We getting out right here? Well, I still got the lights flickering on back there.
Yeah.
I guess it's.
Graduate.
Yes, indeed, man. We deep out here, man. We got cars all the way still around the corner. Still trying to pull up on us, man. Deep. All for a girl graduation, man. I know, I I don't know what we finna do now, but we looking back through again. We looping back through this thread again. We got a little kid. $14K done pulled up in the building, man. My boy late than the joint. Boy, you late than the joint, boy. Nigga late. Hold on, let me cut my... Like I was saying, man, y'all see how deep we is, bruh? Like 30 charges. I'm really trying to see if this a Hellcat, bruh, because he got like no Hellcat. First off, Hellcats don't even come with that exhaust system right there. Like, this can't be a Hellcat. That's a hell no. Oh, man, I ain't called a hell no. The logo on the side. Wait till, let me get on the side of it. Got that boy 14K behind me, man. He's sitting here late. And if y'all know Hellcats don't even sound like that, bro. We gonna let Buddy make it today. He ain't slapped the Hellcat symbol on the side of that car, bro. It ain't making no thing. And then another thing, Hellcats don't have Dodge on the back. They have Hellcat, and then also they have Hellcat on the spoiler as well. So that's three things right there that's saying Buddy ain't in the cat, man. But Buddy out here false claiming in the cat, man. All right, now we back like I was saying, man. Get my boy A Richie, bro. This thing here, man. This thing here, bro. Just look at the details on this thing right here. I see you with the B on there, man. This boy left his car running out of town. I steal this joint right here. But yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on. Got the boy 14K. Last time y'all see him, man, he had them silver things. Now he got them gold things on him. That slime green. Make sure y'all get him on the gram too. Next one right here. Oh, y'all seen this one last time. Somebody say I always film the same cars, man. But you can't help it film in the same cars if you in the same car club, man. Y'all see him at, man. Make sure I get at him, man. And that's who did the design. You can find him on the gram and on the tube if you need that work, man. Get at him. Let's see what else we got going on, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see what's going on? Y'all already know who that is. Don't act surprised, man. Y'all see this boy Corey Mo right here, man. Got that Hemi thing. I need mine. See, I need mine this big so you can see it from far away. And he got that tool thing on there as well, man. Looking right, sitting tight. Doing it like it says. Hey, drop down in them comments and send that news to him, man. Y'all see this thing right here, bro. Sitting right, sitting tight. Oh yeah. Boy, I said if you want to go finna pop this hood for us, man.
Yes, indeed. Say Fulonzo about to pop the hood.
Open it up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It only just begun.
Who did this? Who are you? What's going on?
I'm Say Fulonzo. If you want this done, go to Grocery Getter Racing.
Oh yeah.
IG, hit them up, tell them Say Fulonzo sent you, man. Make sure you say Fulonzo sent you. Honk that. Smash it and dash it.
That's what I'm saying, man.
He gonna touch you. I'm popping everywhere now. Roddy don't want to pop. He gonna pop everywhere now.
You out?
I'll be right there.
Please hit us up.
Let us know.
Please hit us up.
ASAP.
We on the time stickers.
Yes.
Title order for Kevin.
Somebody.
Right. And if y'all don't, I will.
Hey, you say you know the Moon Shadow and doing they doing there. But they Moon Shadow Dallas on Buckland.
I know what you're talking about.
I told him
Them niggas didn't want to fuck with me at first. They want to fuck with me now.
Well, when you go, Lonzo, I'm going with you.
They shoot me off like I wasn't shit.
Oh! And then we gonna pop the hood on him.
Hey, pop there and let them know who you is now.
We'll pop the hood
You
on
somebody
him.
now.
You big time right drive in the parking lot with the hood up.
Look. Pull in that thing, pop the hood, and just get back in the car and drive on off.
Yeah, they told me the ones I wanted was like 600.
Tire stickers? 600.
Really, nigga?
600.
For some tire stickers?
Tire stickers?
No.
Every
600?
Yeah.
Like that, boy.
You ain't paying that much for tires.
Exactly, fam. 600 for some stickers.
Hey, did you hit them up with the sponsorship though? You gotta email them about that, bro.
I be going up there
Before
all
you
the time.
even
I need to talk to them.
sponsorship.
Yeah. Before we talk about anything.
Anything.
Sponsorship? Hey, I got 82 other calls. Sponsorship?
They did this scam.
Mm-hmm.
He said he
Hey,
paid.
I want the mother shop.
He might want to take it out, bro.
Yeah, man.
It might not be getting no deeper. Though.
He got some beating that mother. Beating that. He got a truck.
Got some 15s back there, bro? Pop that. What you got in the hood? I mean, in the trunk, man.
Damn. Speak on the hood.
Yeah, we ain't gonna live over there.
What do you got back there? Nothing?
Nothing.
Ain't nothing back there?
Nah, ain't
Turn it back
nothing.
up.
That's what I'm saying, man. Oh, okay.
Hey,
I can't believe a dude shot at the
hey, he's
dude.
on that Snickers commercial.
That's spread on the edge too.
That's what I'm saying. You got a whole new tire.
And that's on the edge too.
I
So
know,
it's
bro. That's what I'm trying to figure out, bro. You had that thing in there too. That nigga must be going fast with that bullet stuck in there, fam. Had he going fast. Yeah. Hey, we need to check the other damn tires.
Nah, these
Nigga ain't gonna shoot one
that wasn't there
time.
when we left, though. That just happened.
Pull it up. It's in there.
We need a guy to
Alright. Yeah.
Is that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, man.
You could have went in
One
there.
of y'all got a water bottle?
Yeah, that wasn't down there.
Y'all got a water bottle?
What's going on?
Ain't gonna go burn out right there.
Damn, I'm too short. I can't see it.
I don't see no smoke.
Hell no.
I don't see
That's
no
that one
smoke.
wheel? Oh, there it is. That one wheel pill? There it is. Okay. Okay. Oh! Oh! Yeah. Yeah. Smoke it up. Smoke it up. Oh, yeah. Smoke it up. Smoke it up. Oh. Oh. Okay.
Hey, nigga walk in that hole.
Look, look, look,
That bitch start rolling.
Hell yeah! Oh, wait a minute. Zoom in. Zoom in, godman. He know what he doing. He know what yeah, he don't know what he's doing. Yeah.
He young.
That other nigga, that's how you come through there. I could, yeah.
It's a Marauder, bro.
And, ooh. He a beginner. Nigga, just like me. I'm gonna hit the thing curve.
Oh God.
Look, that curve got, bro. I went around that thing. It gotta be a curse right there, bro. Every other curve I come around, I don't have that problem. Well, they be coming through here. Meet started at 8 o'clock. Still here. Hey, I need a boy to come through one more time. He went the wrong way. Okay, here we got some. Dang. Light it up, come on, light it up. Light it up. Come on, come on. Come on with it. Yeah, them laws gonna come through here and gonna think it's one of us. That was hemmed up. Like, no, I'm like, my tire's not even hot, fam, so you can't even say nothing about me. Oh, dang. I guess that might be a wrap. All right, man, I'm gonna go in this video right here. You can see it's hot and sweating. But man, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Like I said, man, go on, like this video, share this video. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for coming this far. Thank y'all for being this far, for watching this video, man. So I'm out of here like last year. I'll bring y'all some more content later.